today's video, I'll show you how to create a brand new spreadsheet in Google Sheets. A simple but powerful tool that can handle everything from personal budgets to business data. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. To get started, open your browser and type sheetsgoogle.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google Sheets homepage, you will see a clean and user-friendly layout. At the top, look for the big plus blank button. This is your gateway to starting a fresh spreadsheet. Just click on it and instantly you will have a brand new sheet ready to go. The layout is familiar, rows and columns of cells waiting for your data. You can click any cell and start typing numbers, text, or even a mix of both. What makes Google Sheets special is that these cells aren't just boxes. They can be formatted, calculated, and connected to functions that turn plain data into meaningful insights. Another big advantage is that Google Sheets is cloud-based, meaning everything is saved automatically. No more worrying about power cuts or computer crashes. Your work is safe and accessible from any device with an internet connection. If you're just starting out, you can also check out the free templates that Google provides, like to-do lists or business budgets, which make organizing your work even easier. And when you're ready to take things up a notch, explore features like real-time sharing and collaboration by clicking the share button at the top right. This lets multiple people work on the same spreadsheet at once, which is perfect for teams or projects where feedback is needed instantly. So that's how you create your first spreadsheet in Google Sheets. It's quick, it's easy, and it's designed to keep your data safe and organized. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.